Alright, we're here. Welcome to Oregon. And we're here. We gotta go. We gotta go. You gotta go. Alright, let's go. Okay, we're finishing charging here. We got several more stops, the rest stop, and then like 3 or 4 more charging spots, and we should be at the Capitol. Alright, we got it. There was only one. A little sad because this is all kind of the paint's chipping off, but no tax in Oregon. $5.99 flat. Let's stick it on the truck. Oh, I need to peel this off first. Give me a second. Oh, I got as much of the sticker off I could. We're gonna have to slide these guys over. Well, not slide it. I don't want to slide it because it's gonna damage. So we'll do that, and I guess we're gonna have to get them now. Oh no, they're kind of stuck on there, kind of good. Okay, now it's gonna cover a squid octopus guy. All right, let's get Oregon on there, just like that. All right, there we go. There's a lake here. These little cabins. Lots of little houses along the lake. Here's the lake. Oh, the water's dropped so low. What's that square out there? Dam over there. It also had like some yellow tubing. I'm not sure. Maybe they put a net down to stop fish or something from going across. Oh, there it is. There's a National Forest sign there. Here's through the ceiling. Sadly, I have this on top, because otherwise you can see. Tilted over. All these little small houses in the middle of nowhere. We made it. There's a little town here. Houses. The screen on the back also says how close you are. 26 minutes till we get to the state capitol. Right, this so your kids or whoever don't go, are we there yet? Are we there? Look at the screen. I mean, you can also see this one, but yeah, depending on your vision, maybe you can't read it. We're in the fog now. Foggy forest. The camera makes it look like less fog. Here's a Tesla. Probably there's a showroom. I don't know if that's a service center. Actually, it might be a service center. We have the big flag here at this used car. Whoa. Close to this. We're now in the city. We're only 3 minutes away from the Capitol. Homeless? Where? Oh, the shelter. They built their little house or area to stay down there. What is this? It's that big tower. Why are all the capitals under construction? State of Oregon.
Now your destination is on the left.
It's right there. And there's that golden guy up there. This one doesn't have that dome thing, or maybe they're trying to build it on top of that. It's like a little church, chapel or whatever. Another one over here. There's like a wind thing there. I don't know what this building is, but they made the outside look kind of like a marble or something. There's a squirrel running around. Looks like it has something to eat. And And there's some pigeons. Haven't seen pigeons. Okay, so it's the state library. That's what this. Should see if I can use a restroom in there. Okay, so they did have a restroom. It's like there, and it's like a maze of hallways. But they did have one, so it's good. There's the library. Here's the Capitol. They like to use that marble looking stuff. I don't know if it's actually marble or granite or whatever. That looks like, yeah, marble. So I think they're trying to build the dome part on top of here. It's the statue with that guy there. There you go, state of Oregon. So the state of Oregon, but the state of their Capitol building is not ready. Yes, this is the actual entrance of the library. You can see they have this state library. I went in through a side entrance. I was wondering why. I was like, what kind of entrance is this? It looks like a hallway. And is this like a subway? Look, they have this. I guess they have a subway to go down or something. I don't know what's under there. Does it say? Doesn't say anything. And there's another building over there. What is that? Public service something. Let's go closer. They have a sculpture off over in the distance. So far, what was it? That, no, Utah's Capitol was the nicest. Here's this Capitol Mall parking structure. Have this giant area here. I'm not sure what that's for. Let's go here. And then more entryways to go downstairs. Oh, maybe it goes under to a parking area, I guess. Oh, there you go. It just says public service building. The sun's in the way, so. Alright. See these kind of plants they put here. Yeah, sadly the building is under construction, so I don't know what it will look like when it's finished. But there you go. Oh, let's see. I just noticed there's some writing down there. Let's see if it's even. A free state is formed and is maintained by the voluntary union of the people, the whole people joined together under the same body of laws for the common welfare, something you can't see. And then there's another one here. The mind of man knows no employment more worthy of its powers than the quest of righteousness in human affairs, no goal of its laborers, and something. Sadly, it's all blocked. What is that? He has a mini training wheel on the back. See the different types of trees here. This one looks like maybe an oak. Actually, no, it's like maple. This one is probably some kind of fruit tree. On the side of the Capitol, yeah, this looks like they're growing some roses there. Right, and the Capitol is right there. On the side of that steeple building, they have this tire pyramid. Crows. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, 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 hop. Right here you can see we're building up the map. We got Oregon now. I think I showed it earlier, but yeah. I don't know how I'm gonna fit it. It's gonna take like the whole entire back of my truck. Alright, so here's our next plan. We're going to go to Olympia, Washington, the state capital of Washington, and then visit some friends and family along the way. And then we're going to jump all the way across to Helena, the capital of Montana. Alright, so let's go ahead and continue. It's going to be quite a long drive. There's this little sculpture here.
Now turn right onto Commercial
Washington
Street
uses the
Northeast.
flashing yellow left turn lanes too. So here you can see in Oregon, they have these little divots in the road for the reflectors. That's so when it snows, they can just plow it and not worry about scraping those things out. A Christmas tree farm here. It's like in Oregon, they also have like those bonsai looking trees. More trees over there. There are a lot of trees here. We're almost getting to the Washington border. I can't see over there, but there was like water over there. Probably a big lake. Looks like there's a sky lift kind of thing there.
Keep right to stay on Interstate 5 North.
Passing over this multi-level bridge. Look at that, all the bridges over there. You got the river or something down there. Got that nice suspension bridge. See on this side, they have all those skyscrapers and another bridge. I believe that side is Washington. So I was wrong. It's the Central Industrial, East Side Industrial District. Still Oregon. Is that a water tower? Okay, it looks like there's a Burlington and a TJ Maxx.
In 500
and whatever
feet,
that
turn
blue
right
one
onto
is.
North Pavilion
And there's
Avenue.
a Home Depot up there.
Now turn
You
right
can see
onto
the whole
North
thing is actually
Pavilion
all
Avenue.
along the water there. So can't really see much because all that stuff's in the way. Biplane. Okay, see, they designed this wrong. They put this right behind the parking spot, so I have to park purposely all the way to the other side, actually even somewhat on top of the line. Otherwise, I'd have to back up a lot more. You see that? I'm on the line. Otherwise, I'd have to back up even more. Whoever installed these or painted the lines, I don't know what they're doing. There used to be different lines here, it looks like. So, yeah. We're gonna walk around outside, but there's also a Jimmy John's. I think that's a sandwich shop. And T4. Whatever, nail that, something, nail something. Alright, we're about to continue. We charged up quite a bit, 75%. Putting away the food in the little fridge, and next stop is the Love's gas station to get the Washington magnet, and then we're gonna charge up, go to the Capitol, and then head over to some friends and family. All right, we'll see you guys then. All right, ended up having to make a call, so now we're at 90%. All right, let's go. Okay, you see this? I don't know what's going on, if something's glitched with my charge port, but look. Oh, it worked now. That's the third time I pushed it. Hey, let go. So I don't know if something's weird with my charge port or what. Alright, now we got to 94%, filled up the water bottles, water was nice and cold, and let's continue. Bridge over there. Alright, so I think this is the end of the Oregon video because we're about to hit the Washington border. It's across that bridge, one of those bridges. So you can see we're gonna go across that bridge. So we'll see you on the Washington video.